Welcome back mga kabarangay, dito po sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Ako po inyong Kuya Rene, inyong Direk Rene. Ako po yung taga-daloy ng kwentuhan at usapan po dito. Kung hindi po kayo nag-like, share, and subscribe, ay mangyari po lamang i-like, share, and subscribe yun naman po ang ating YouTube channel. 35,000 subscribers, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga sandaling ito, no, sa gabing ito, ay makakapanayan po natin isang grupo na very creative, very dynamic dyan po sa Christchurch. At for the past 4 years ay ginagawa po nila itong towards the end of around this time, towards the end of November, ay ginagawa po nila yung tinatawag na Aliwan Festival, no? At naalala ko sa Pilipinas meron tayo, I think ginagawa yun sa may CCP grounds. Dati hindi ko alam kung ginagawa pa ngayon, yung Aliwan Fiesta. So, minarapat ko po na kausapin ang kanilang founder, ang kanilang leader, si Janice. At syempre, naisama ni Janice ang ilan sa mga miyembro ng organizing committee ng Ritmo Pilipino para sa Aliwan Fiesta 2025 dyan po sa Christchurch, New Zealand. So, pasok na natin po sa stream. Hi, welcome. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Ang dami pala nila, puro mga ano to, mga malamang mga estudyante, ano? Ano ba?
Yes. Yes.
Nag-aaral pa. So mamaya-maya alamin ko kung ano, kasi alam ko kung sila ay nasa high school, kung sila ay, some of them might be in the senior, kung senior na, nag-umpisa na po yung NCEA external exams. At kung junior naman, malapit na rin kasi ako ay nagtuturo ako sa isang kolehiyo dito sa Auckland. Okay, Janice, thank you so much. Ano to, alam ko, busy yung mga schedules natin, pero ano yung nandito na tayo, no? So, umpisa natin muna yung getting to know each other. No? Janice, taga saan ka ba sa atin, sa Pilipinas?
Hello, everyone. My name is Janice. I am from San Pedro, Laguna. Yeah, this is my group. It's actually 17 of us, but others couldn't make it. So it's just 8 of us for tonight. I'll pass it on.
So, San Pedro, Laguna. Alam, ito, napakilala ko na sa akin kanina si Isa. Okay, Isa. Hi, Isa.
Kamusta po?
Sure.
Mabuti naman, Isa. So, taga saan ka sa atin?
I'm from Cavite City po.
Cavite City. Oh, and you can still speak Tagalog, Filipino?
Oh.
Are you in high school?
I'm year 12 po.
Year 12, okay. Oo, so level 2. Alright. Isa, pasa mo yung mic. Pass the mic. Para lang makilala natin, bigyan natin ng ano. Okay, hi, hello.
Hello po. Kamusta po?
Hi. What's your name?
Chloe po. Chloe C.
Chloe.
Dalawa po kasi dito.
Ano, no?
Dalawa po kasi kaming Chloe dito. So, I'm Chloe C. Then, Chloe S.
Chloe S po.
Chloe C. Ano yung C? What does C stand for?
Kadawas po. It's my last name.
Kadawas. Okay. So, taga saan ka sa Philippines, Chloe C?
I am in Angeles City, Pampanga po.
Angeles. Okay. Oo. So, pasa mo kay Chloe. Ano siya?
S.
Ikaw C?
S.
Ako po si Chloe S po.
Chloe S. Okay. Ano yung S?
Sakdalan po.
Sakdalan. Taga saan ka naman, Chloe S?
Antipolo City po.
Oh, wow. I lived there for quite some time. Antipolo. Okay. O si Kuya. Nandiyan, may Kuya pa na tayo eh. Parang nakikita ko yung mukha ni Kuya eh. Kuya, bumati ka naman oh. Samahan mo ako, Kuya.
Next.
Operator lang po.
Operator na
Siya sa technical. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Hi, I'm Gwen.
Yes, Gwen. Taga
Yes.
saan?
And I'm from Christchurch,
You, yeah, born in the
Ah.
Philippines.
born in the Philippines.
Whereabouts in the Philippines?
Oh yeah, she's my daughter. So,
Ah,
so she was
okay.
she was 8 months old. We were already here, so she basically grew up here in Christchurch.
Oh, yes. Oo. Ay, Gwen. Is your eldest? Eldest mo ba siya, Janice? Your eldest? Okay. Yung 3 girls pa sa likod.
Hindi mo tuloy ako kuya matatanong ng year ko kasi alam mo na may anak ako.
Kami po yung mga students. Students.
Parang year 13 ka, Janice. Parang teacher ng year 13.
Teacher pala.
Yes!
Teacher. Kami yung
Outfit.
estudyante mo.
Okay, who's next? Who's next? All right.
Yes,
Hi.
My name is Jill. I'm from Naga City.
June? Is that here right? June ba?
Jackie, Jill.
Jill. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Jill from Naga. And then yung katabi mo, hello.
Hello po, Kuya. I'm Joanne po from Pampanga.
Joanne from Pampanga. Saan sa Pampanga? Kasi yung kanina Angeles eh. Ikaw, saan?
Sa Florida po.
Florida. Okay.
Florida Blanc.
And then finally,
Hi, Kuya. Cyril po from Bicol. Camsur.
Biko. Saan sa Camarines Sur? Okay. All right. Okay, so welcome dito sa ating podcast. I will try my teacher's magic. Okay? Si Johnny, si Isa, Chloe C, Chloe S, Gwen, Jill, Florida. Hindi siya Florida. Florida Blanca siya. O yun. Nagkamali ako dun sa dalawa. Sorry what's your name again?
Joanne.
Joanne and
Cyril.
Cyril. Okay. At least 80% pumasa ako. So okay na yun. Now, uy, maraming salamat kasi much as I want to come to your festival, meron ako ibang mga commitments tsaka kasi towards the end of the school year, no? Pero what is this Aliwan Festival, no? So sino pwedeng magkwento about what is this? What is the Aliwan Festival?
Ako po, si Chloe. The Aliwan Festival.
Chloe S. Okay.
The Aliwan Festival po is known as the mother of festivals in the Philippines. It's a fun, colorful celebration po that shows our country with graceful cultural performances po. We also encourage non-Filipinos to participate in these events.
So merong hindi lang pala Philippines, no? Ano kaya ang aliwan sa Chinese, sa Japanese, sa mga ganun, no? Parang naisip ko lang. Yes, Janice.
Yeah, so what we did, kasi it's a Philippine, so you know, it's a festival, but what we did was we made it like a Philippine festival dance competition. So what we did, because we don't want it to be like strictly for Filipinos only, so we encourage other like all of the participants to include non-Filipinos as well. That's why we had to para din, so they will also learn the culture.
Correct.
And we did that last year as well. So yun, para lang magkaroon din ng involvement ng mga non-Filipinos basically. And Kuya, sorry po, meron po late number, si Evan nga pala po.
Inclusive, maging inclusive. Oh, late ka na. Patapos na. So, patapos na. So, bumati ka na lang. Patapos na eh. Bumati ka na lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Hi po, my name is Ivan.
Ivan,
Yes po.
Where are you from?
how do you spell it? I-V-A-N? Ganon?
Evanne.
Okay. Oh, sige, go. From where are you? Taga saan ka sa Philippines?
I was born here in New Zealand.
And your parents, you know your parents? Kung taga saan sila? Hindi.
My mom is from Manila and my dad is from Bicol.
Okay, oo. So, si Ivan, is it Ivan?
Yes po.
Tama ba? Oo. Ivana Alawi, yung mga parang ganon. Okay, so, nasagot na natin what is Alyon. Yung history, paano siya nagsimula dyan sa Christ Church? How did it start?
So last 2022, actually ibang organizing group po yung nag-start po talaga noon in introduce. But during that time, I was the one who kind of like project managed. So alam ko na kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. And then after that first Aliwan happened, Riverside Market, because that's the location where we had it back in 2022. So they reached out to us, actually to the same organizing group, but never heard from them. So asked again the following year, which was just last year. So me and my colleague, Livia, so we had a meeting with them, and we just asked, like, what do you want to do this year? So because we were planning to give other options, maybe they will be open to other events, but they really wanted Aliwan Festival to happen again, to be specific. So we just said, I mean, like, why not? Because when we did it back in 2022, actually Ritmo Filipino joined as well. So they were one of the contestants there, and they won champion. So so since they won champion, they didn't so since they won champion, and I was a project head of that event, so I was like, there's no one else who could organize this event again kundi kami. So we took over that event. We did it last year, and then we're doing it again this year. So that's basically how it happened.
Oh, wow. So mamaya tanong ko yung Ritmo Filipino, no. I want to get to know more about the group also, kasi kaninang umaga while I was going to school, napakinggan ko sina Jobel tsaka yung ibang mga miyembro ng Euphoria, kasi in-interview sila ng Radio New Zealand because they just won world champion sila, no, sa Prague, yung sa hip-hop, no, hip-hop competition. And also dyan sa Christchurch, marami kayong ganap dyan, 2 weeks ago yung Pistang Pilipino, tapos magkakaroon pa yung sa barangay Banyuhay, and then tapos kayo, no? So mauna ba kayo o sila yung ano?
So kami po, bali yung actually yung isa po sa mga members ng organizing team of Banyuhay Etorowa is also our dancer, Becky. So she's not here unfortunately, but what we try to do, kasi po we try to invite people from outside Christchurch. So instead of them traveling just attend one event, so we were like, okay, why not just do it next to each other? So if someone tries to travel, they can go to both events. So yeah, that's why other people will be attending ours first, Aliwan Festival on the Saturday, and then the next day they'll be attending the Paskuhan event.
Oy, ang galing, ganda. Kasi ano ba, tama ka nga, no? Like me, for example, I fly from Auckland, so i-maximize na nga, no, na hindi siya magsasapaw na gano'n. That's very good, very good. So yung next tanong dito is what can people expect? What can people expect sa event? Anong ma-expect nila? Sino sasagot?
Yes po. They will see the various groups of contestants wearing the vibrant costumes, and some singing and dancing with non-Filipino groups. And of course, Christchurch Mayor will be joining us, MPs and representative of Philippine consulates, and a lot more.
Okay. Ikaw, Jill, anong participation mo? Naalala ko na yung pangalan mo. Ikaw, Jill,
Joan po! -5.
yung katabi pala. Yung katabi. Joan. Joan.
Yes po. Ako po yung mag-look after po ng mga VIPs and guests sa day na yun. Yes po.
Okay. That's good. Tapos,
we will show the being hospitality. Ganyan.
Okay. Yung nakita ko sa social media yung last year, sa labas ba siya ginagawa? Is it outdoors? Hindi siya parang gym, auditorium, parang ganon. Outdoors talaga.
Yes.
So meron kayong any parang plan B kung umulan, yung mga ganon? Meron kayong plano or nag-offer na kayo ng mga itlog para
Wala. Narinig mo ako, kuya? Yan. Hello? Narinig mo po ako?
Yes. Yes, oo.
Okay, cool. So, yeah. So, actually, that's why we always put it towards summer para po sure na hindi uulan. Kaya lagi siyang either end of November, almost. We try to do it December one time kasi most Filipinos, they normally travel back to Philippines, diba? So always the best time is around that time, but it's pretty sunny. And the reason why we have it at Riverside is because it's an outdoor event, but there's a lot of people who go there, especially on a weekend. So sometimes someone will just go there, want to have lunch or something, and then they'll see, oh, there's an event happening. And then later on, we'll just see like a huge crowd of people watching us and just being curious of what the event is all about.
Mm-hmm. Ano yung mga estimated number ng crowd? I mean, estimate lang, 500, 1,000?
Last year po, siguro mga nasa 700 to, I don't know, let's say from 700 to 1,000 po yung mga nanood doon. Kasi like the committee and the group contestants itself, nasa almost 200 to 250 na po kami. Plus yung mga supporting of each contestants, yung mga ganon sa schools, the relatives, like those people were just like sitting there having, dining in. So it was really huge. And let's say it was judges, VIPs, and also, it's going to be around, that number, that count.
Okay.
So this year pala po, so that was last year. And then this year, actually Riverside gave us a heads up that the same day that we're going to have Aliwan Festival, there's going to, like the cruise ship, na may dadating, so which is around 3,000 people joining. So at first, Riverside was a bit hesitant if kung tutuloy ba namin ng same day yung Aliwan. And then I said, well, it's actually a good thing that there will be like, outsiders coming in. Kasi at least, mapopromote nyo na rin kung yung event na meron yung Riverside. And at the same time, Filipino culture. So I said, it's actually a really good opportunity to push through with that event on that same day din. So ayun, kaya so the crowd will be definitely bigger than last year.
Okay. Walk me through yung sa event, Kasi ako, I've been a couple of times nasa Christchurch ako. Ang napuntahan ko lang yung Cardboard Cathedral, University of Canterbury. So, one thing is, saan yung Riverside Market that you're saying? Malapit ito sa port? Yun ba yun?
Port is in Littleton. So, yung Riverside Market, nasa heart po siya ng city. Opo. Ng Christchurch City. So, isa siyang malaki, parang puro mga restaurants doon, ganun. So, galaan talaga siya ng mga tao, especially on if the weather is really, really nice and all. So when you're there, let's say standing from where the Aliwan Festival will be, there's like balcony because they're like second floor sa mga restaurants. They will see there'll be a lot of people watching, and then it's like a pretty long, like a strip mall or something like that.
And that's where the police. Also, the main police station, the police station and the port is just right in front of the Riverside. So it's really on the heart of the city.
Okay.
And it's very popular with parang dinner, dining, and a lot of that area then may mga bar, may mga inuman, gimikan, gano'n.
Okay. Oo. So, meron kasi you're saying
alam niyo yung Harbor Point, sa Auckland po, yung gano'n, yung, di ba yung parang may marami pong kainan doon na may second floor?
Yung sa Viaduct. Yung sa Viaduct.
Gano'n.
Pero malaking food court.
Now, so kung meron ng mga bars, kung ano-ano doon, will you bring in yung mga food trucks o magtitinda rin ng mga Filipino food doon? Hindi.
Unfortunately, no, because Riverside it's not allowing kasi po may mga restaurants na, so they can just purchase their food there. So yeah, and then in terms of like group contestants, we will be providing the food anyways for everyone. But for like say for the audience, if they're hungry, they have a huge variety of options to choose from.
Okay, oo. Yun sa mga bars, yung mga eating joints doon, walang Filipino restaurant, wala doon sa Riverside, wala.
to be one, pero I think they've already closed. But yeah, there's a lot of like Asian restaurants and like place. Yeah, anything. It's a very huge wide option.
Okay. So yung next question dito is details about contestants, no? So ano ba tong mga contests? Kasi we can mention only a very high level answer. Parang yun yung yung guide question. Ano to?
Kasi as much as possible.
Si Cyril yan. Yan, sigurado ako si Cyril yan. Si Cyril.
Hello po. And also just to add yung previous namin, some of the Euphoria dancers po are also our dancers in Ritmo Filipino. And also, yung sister po ni Chloe is from Ritmo Filipino.
And part of Euphoria.
Part of Euphoria din sila. So, we are now galing sila ng para mag-represent ng New Zealand. Pero there are also, some of them, I think 3 or 4 of them are Ritmo Filipino. And they will be joining us sa event sa Aliwan Festival.
That's good.
And, yes. So, yun na. So, about dun sa mga contestants namin, kasi as much as possible, ang aim kasi is to make sure yung mga young generations will be able to learn about our cultures, ganyan. So, we went to different schools in Christchurch and even in Canterbury. Some of them are far from, yung iba from Ashburton, that far. Siguro mga 2 hours drive from Christchurch. So some of them, they are mostly schools. So we have like 5 participating schools. They are mixed cultures, Filipinos, other countries, other nationalities. They will represent their school. They will wear their own clothes. I mean our clothes, traditional clothes. They will dance our traditional dances. So yes, and to make sure that we get that they are supported, so we always monitor them. Nagsuschool to school po kami to check if how they're doing, how is their dances, paano ba yung practices nila, and if we can give support to them in case of yung mga steps and other things. Yeah, we do and costumes. So music, we give them suggestions, mga yung ganon. Yon, tapos, yon. So and some of them are dancers. They already performed before last year, and right now they will come even stronger and more determined to win the champion, the first prize.
So this is a dance, aside from the celebration, so may dance competition, no? Yung cultural dance competition, is it? Or iba-ibang sayaw?
It's a festival dance.
Festival. So give me an example. Ano yung festival dance? Like what, for example?
Like Sinulog. We have Sinulog Festival po. We have, ano pa? Kadayawan. We have...
okay.
Pintados, Pintaflores.
So cultural nga. Yung cultural natin. Yung cultural...
Combination of yes.
Okay, oo. So anong participation ng Ritmo Filipino? Of course, you will not be competing, you will be performing as a parang special, di ba? Parang ganon? Or you're also competing?
Kami po nag-organize. So kami po yung nag-handle po ng actual event po this time.
Wala kayong sayaw, hindi kayo sasayaw.
Well, meron po siguro. Hindi pa po namin napapag-isipan. Pero we're really focused on like running the event. So everyone, like let's say 17 of us, we all have like delegations, although they don't know yet specifically because I still have to tell them. But but basically someone needs to make sure, let's say, proper trafficking for performers. Someone will be looking after the judges. Someone will be looking after the VIPs. For example, some will be looking after the food, like all those stuff. So different. So everyone will be really busy. We'll be really focused in running the show.
Okay. Sino yung mga, I think, did you answer already? May mga VIP, di ba you mentioned already yung sa consulate, yung mga ganon? Or can you repeat again? Sino ba yung sumagot? Si Isa ba yun? Si Gwen?
Si Joanne.
Si Joanne. Okay. Sino yung mga ano ulit? Yung mga dadating sa event on the festival?
As mentioned earlier, we're really honored to have the presence of the mayor, along with some MPs and a representative from the Philippine Consul. We're also joined by our amazing sponsors, Aircon Christchurch, JNR8 Productions, MIG Cars, and Parachute Insurance. Thank you so much for your support. And last but definitely not least, we're hoping to also see representatives from the Christchurch City Council, the Ministry of Ethnic Communities, and Rata Foundation.
Oh, that's good. Oo, so high profile pala yung ano. Kasi nga this is the fourth, di ba? Fourth time na, but with your group that's the second, no? With your group yung last year.
Yes. Third Aliwan, and second time that RICMO will be organizing this event.
Okay. Oo. Gwen, ano ang papel mo dito sa event na to? Hindi ka pa nagsasalita eh.
You'll be getting the score sheets from the judges.
I will be getting the score sheets from the judges.
With Yvonne.
With Yvonne.
Anong year ka na ba, Gwen? What year are you in high school?
I'm not in high school yet, but I'm year 6.
Oh, year 6. Also nasa primary, intermediate. Okay, so score sheets ng mga judges. Can you mention some of the judges o hindi pwede? Parang secret yung mga judges, parang ganun, di ba?
No, we could. Actually, some of four of them. No, I'm just kidding. 5 of them were the same judges as last year. So we will have Jobel of Euphoria. We have Setu, both are from Euphoria. We have very famous from Indian community. We have JB and who else do we have? Ati Marie Polisco, she'll also be judging. Oh my God, please don't get mad at me if I forgot the name. But basically, most of them from last year, they'll still be the same. And our basis on getting the judges, obviously, we want someone who knows how to dance. Because we want all the contestants to feel that they were properly judged and not just by, looking at them visually. And also we want someone who has an expertise in judging because they know what they're judging, like they know how to dance and all. And we do have a mystery judge, by the way, just saying. We won't be telling everyone yet, but basically, she's going to be like one of the youngest judge in the panel, but yeah, she's going to be our mystery judge. So yeah, just watch out for
mystery judge pa. Pag ano yung mga pa-premyo nito? What is there like a trophy ba yan or medal or what are the prizes for the ano to?
Lahat po ng sinabi. We want to make sure that everyone will have prizes to take home. So we have trophies, obviously, that the school can take and display at their school. And then we have made individual medals for those winners because we obviously want the dancers to have something to take home as well. We have a plaque to give them, and then we will have some vouchers and like all those other what do you call that? Yeah, other vouchers or gift cards, whoever's gonna donate. And then we do have cash prize for that. So yeah,
okay.
Motivation for everyone to join.
Now, sino yung nanalo last year? Are you at liberty to mention? Sino nanalo?
The champion was from Darfield, actually.
Darfield?
Yeah. We had contestants from Darfield, and they will be there at Aliwan this month, but they will just be performing like an intermission number. They won't be competing. So the others who joined last year, obviously, they really want to fight for the champion title, so they joined again.
Is Darfield in North Island? Yung ba yun? Hindi.
No, South.
Nasa South siya. Okay. Dargaville pala yun. Akala ko mga taga Dargaville pumunta dyan to Now, ito pa yung tanong is details ng event, no? Yung siyempre, pinag-uusapan natin. So, kailan siya, anong oras, tapos ulit yung location, yung mga ganon. Who is going to say that?
Hello po.
Si Chloe C. Okay.
So the Aliwan event will be held in November 29, Saturday po siya, and by the Riverside Market in Christchurch City, which was previously mentioned earlier. There will also be a Riverside March or walk, which will happen at around 12 noon. And the event competition will start at 11 p.m. and at 1 p.m.
Patras.
I'm mistaken. At 1 p.m. after the parade, and will end at 4 p.m.
Oh, okay. So may parada pala. So the parade is the contestants, paparada sila or ano yung meron sa parada?
Kasi po, baka po malito yung mga tao. So, agreed siya with Riverside that we use the term walk instead of parade. Kasi po pag parade, it's like, having some float and all. But because that's just like walking around Riverside literally. So basically what we want to do is to showcase the costume. So let's say, because we're only on one side of Riverside, which is actually at the corner of Riverside Market, but let's say if someone else is on the other side, obviously we want to tell them that there's an event happening on the other side. So they will just walk around it, and it's just going to be like really colorful and all, because they will be wearing, all the contestants will just be walking around, and showcasing their outfits.
Yeah. But walking around that with music, may sound system kayong malakas doon.
Opo. Binubuhat po namin yung speaker. So pagod-pagod po kami pagbalik namin sa Riverside.
May pa-drums.
Opo, pagod po kami pagbalik.
yung tagahila na pero ihilahin yung ano. Now, we're down to the final one, which is yung messages. Final messages, no? Or final words inviting people to come and watch and support the event. So, sino yan? Sino ang magsasabi niyan? Si Jill ba yun?
Si Jun po.
Jun. Jill
po.
Hi, Jill.
Yeah, yes, pa. Okay, pa. We are inviting you to come and join us for the Aliwan Festival this coming November 29, 2025 at Riverside Market. Just experience the fun and excitement as we showcase the vibrant festival dances from across the Philippines. So it will be full of color, energy, and culture. So come out, cheer for us, and don't miss the fun. See you there.
Nice. Oh, very good. Oh, now before we go, I want to know a little bit about ritmo, no? Kasi palagi ko napanood ko na kayo nung Independence Day. Some of you went up here to Auckland to perform, but I didn't realize that you were from Christchurch, no? Nandito kayo noon, di ba? Independence Day. Did you perform?
Yung Fernandez po.
Oh, yung Auckland Independence nung June, nandito kayo?
Opo. It was just Chloe. Wala po yung dalawa. Apat lang po kami na nagpunta.
Pero iba yung, kasi sumayaw yung mga taga-Christchurch sina Jinky, iba pa yung ritmo, di ba? Kasi I heard they announced it ritmo Filipino eh.
Hindi, iba po silang group. Pero halos magkasunod din kasi kami ata na sumayaw nun. Pero kami po yung banda sa simula kasi inawardan po kami ng Cultural Group of the Year Award. So, yun po. So, kaya banda sa simula po kami nun pinasayaw.
So, yung ritmo, this time sa Aliwan, kayo nag-organize. Pero ano rin kayo? You're a dance group, di ba? Cultural group. Tama ba ako?
That's correct.
Oo. So, ano yung mga, are you coming up with performances ng ritmo mismo, ng ano?
Sa Aliwan po or any?
Hindi sa Aliwan, other than Aliwan.
Apo, marami pa kaming invitations actually talagang from North Island na invite po kami, let's say Wellington events of Bulwagan Foundation Trust or yun nga po, once nakapunta po kami sa Auckland to perform at Mel Fernandez event, na-invite din po kami minsan down to Ashburton, ganun. And a lot of multicultural events here in Christchurch. So yeah, so we do cultural dance, we do sometimes festival dances as well. Kaya meron po kami sayo na Pinta Flores, yung sinulog po kasi po yun yung winning piece po ng group. Yun, so we kind of like try to be as versatile as we can. For example, Diwali Festival, we really learned an Indian dance just for the Diwali Festival. Kasi, let's say, you know, dati gumawa kami ng mix with Filipino music, but then this year, we did a full Indian dance. So, nakarelate yung Indian community sa amin kasi they knew the song that we performed and it was something that's really huge, really a hit sa community nila. So, they were like singing and dancing with us habang kami sumasayaw ng Indian dance.
Okay, that's very good. Oo. Each one of you na yung mga nasa high school na lang, no? So you have cultural dance groups doon sa high schools na meron ba kayong parang Polyfest dyan sa Christchurch? Do you have that?
Opo, meron po.
And so did you participate or are you participating?
I didn't participate but this year, but like other cultural things, but like at my old school, I joined like Kapahaka po, if you know.
Kapahaka, okay. Anong year ka na ba? Chloe S. Anong year na si Chloe S?
I'm year 9 po.
Year 9, okay. So, Ritmo Filipino, next year, meron kayong mga upcoming events na are you at liberty to say or wala pa? Hindi pa naka-fix yung mga dates?
Actually, before the year ends, talagang nagka-start na po sila mag-invite. For next year, meron na pa kaming 4 gigs lined up. Gusto ko po sabihin kaso nakalimutan ko eh. Nung sa listahan po namin. So, pero pa meron na po kaming 4 gigs. Maybe around March magsa-start ng ganon. So, normally, let's say around, was it January or March? Sinulog Festival. January. So yun. So normally that's our first event that we perform to Sinulog Festival.
So is it malaki ba yung malaki yung Sinulog Festival dyan sa Christchurch?
Very. Yeah. Because everyone, they're really traveling. Kasi syempre Catholic church, so there's a mass before and then after that, that's where everyone celebrates and then with a lot of performances.
Is it also on the same, kasi usually Sinulog is on the 3rd Sunday of the month. Ganon din ba? Or ibang Sunday siya?
Same po.
Same? Okay. Oo. Kasi ganon din yung sa Auckland, ganon din si Wellington, no? Ginagawa. Well, maraming salamat sa inyo, ha? Kasi alam ko, busy kayo with your studies and everything and working with Janice, but you put up your hand na tuloy natin to kasi maganda naman yung naumpisahan and what your vision is to share. And now, na-imagine ko na hindi siya parada, naglalakad lang siyang ganon, na mga naka-costume, mga naka-Maria Clara, may mga payong, may kung ano-ano, which is sayang kasi on the 29th is our graduation so I have to be in school kasi nga graduation namin yan But hopefully next year, yung bang aliwan, mga ganon, towards the end of November, parang ganon, Usually, ganon yung ginagawa nyo?
Wala namang specific. I might be wrong though. So hindi ko mako-confirm. Pero,
last year was 22.
No, like how normally when it's being,
it was always December.
November. Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully sana siya a bit earlier kasi kung towards the end, usually yun yung mga graduation sa amin and I have my year 13. Next year, may year 13 ako. So, gusto ko silang makita sa stage because for 5 years, I've been teaching them. So, gusto ko makita. Hopefully, hindi siya, but all the best sa inyo, Janice. Ngayon, ito, matetest na naman ako. Janice, si Isa, dalawang Chloe S and C, si Gwen, si Cyril, si Jill, si Joanne, at itong late, hindi ko na matandaan, yung late.
Evan po, Evan.
Ivan, oo. Thank you so much sa,
Yung lalaki po.
Oo nga, si Kuya nasa, technical.
Ayan, taran!
Team namin.
So, thank you very much sa, I wish you all the best. And also, kung ano man ang pwede kong itulong to promote your, sponsor. So, you're very busy organizing and everything. So, maraming salamat and more power sa Ritmo Pilipino. Talagang yung rhythm. Thank you very much. Oo.